Got today is a 2014 Denali, GMC Denali, Yukon. They're all about the same. So I'm going to be installing the backup camera. So as long as you got a factory backup camera, to tell you have a backup camera, you need to look at this part right here. See the camera? That's a camera right there. Hopefully it works. We're gonna retain that. Now, in order to retain that, you will need an RCA jack like this. It don't have to be the yellow, but as long as you know which one's positive, which one's negative. So in my case, positive right here, this is positive, this is negative. Positive is yellow, negative is negative. I mean, the black is negative. So if you want to test, you can do continuity test. I'll show you. So basically, you're gonna have to turn this on to continuity right there. It look like a ground. This is the electrical. They call it S ground. This is ohms, and this is voltage, and this is high voltage, which is for the electrical, home electrical. So what I'm gonna do, what it does is gonna beep like this. When I touch it, you hear the beep noise. So if I touch this and this, it should beep. See the noise? Now if I touch the ground, it's not gonna work. So we know yellow is the positive when you do that. Okay? So moment we're gonna come over here. We're gonna remove this clip right here by pulling like that. And the other one right here. Just pry it out already. I mean, this is a basic. Where's another one? There's 3 of them. Right there. And now what you want to do, you want to go to the BCM. The BCM is in the white box. It's a pin 20. Hook it up to pin 22 white box. It's a dark blue if you have the dark blue. If not, you're gonna have to do this. So right here at the I think this is a brown color right here. What you want to hook up is you want to hook up the yellow, the positive one, to the pink, and then the green one right there next to the pink is the negative. So yellow would be go to the pink on this part. I got my yellow hooked up, so I'm gonna tape that, and then I do the black one to this light bluish color looking. So here I got that. I'm gonna be hooking up to the radio. The radio will go to say that camera in right here. So I'm here at the back. I don't have to go all the way up here to the reverse. The reverse is up here on the top. And this darker color, darker blue right there. Not this color, this one. What you want to do, you want to test light, use a test light, put the ground right here. And have someone go out front, or you can do it. Make sure you have the parking brake on. Make sure your parking brake is good. Put on reverse, and then you can test this. The only way you can test this is put on reverse. If not, it's not gonna work. So run this blue wire all the way to the radio. I don't know if I videoed this already or not, but if you come to this white BCM, the white plug, pin plug right there, the white plug, you want to connect it to pin 22. It's a dark blue, but in my case I don't see the dark blue on pin 22 right down on the bottom right there. So that's why I ran the red wire, which is go to the radio. You want to hook it up to the one that said reverse right there. Okay, and for some reason this interface supposed to work, but it didn't work. It seemed like it's got a short or something. It's got a 12-volt output. This supposed to be put on reverse, and it didn't do it, so I'm not going to use that. So let's see what's gonna work. Make sure I got the parking brake up again. So the radio is coming on. He didn't have a antenna hooked up, so it's not going to work. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to start the car, step on the brake, put on reverse. I did it too soon. Yep, perfect. That's it. That's how you install.